it's a little monkey. Monkey, monkey. Chunky
Monkey,
monkey.
a raccoon,
Is that what
and
it
a
is?
fox.
Oh, open it up. Good, you can do the honors.
So,
Oh,
what is it?
I don't know. Is that like
That's just a
itinerary kind of thing? Oh, it shows it.
stickers.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Bonus stripes.
Okay.
I am brave. I am loved. I am creative.
Oh, that's cute.
Dr. Robin.
All the Band-Aids you can possibly need. Because Logan likes to just put Band-Aids on herself for no reason. I think your kid needs this more than I do. Oh, there's more! Oh, look at that! And they have little, oh, they're so cute. Look at them.
They are cute.
They're like tigers and stuff. Oh,
and they have all different types.
Raven, hide your face.
Oh, sorry.
That doesn't help. You're still showing a product. Hold on, there we go. We got it. You can see it. So there's tigers.
They have knuckles for knuckles, scrapes and burns, fingertips, and shoulders.
Oh, wow.
That's all in the bottom tray.
Oh, they got little mini ones.
Yeah,
There's
mini
a fox on it.
Arms, legs, fingers, toes is the top tray.
Okay.
Tells you exactly what's in it.
Oh, that's cute. And then look, they have like bunnies on these and stuff like that.
Raccoons.
So if you're like a teacher, this is really cute for like to keep in your class in case your kid gets a scraped knee or something. Oh, little round ones. Raccoon. Is there anything underneath?
No, that is the underneath.
Okay.
So the top tray has the arms and legs, fingers and toes.
Mm-hmm.
And then the bottom has the knuckles,
What I feel like something should have been
scrapes and
right
burns,
here.
fingertips, and shoulders.
Did
Logan take some?
I know. I was gonna say, did my daughter get to this already? Let me see.
No, it's all it says on it.
Oh no, it says it's actually empty on purpose. It says it's we saved a seat for your favorite ointment or spray.
Oh,
so you can put like an ointment in here and keep this like wherever you're traveling in your car or wherever or in the house. This is so cute. Why do tigers have stripes? They don't want to be spotted.
Cute. That was a good one.
It's on the back. This is really cute, guys.